Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll dive into best Fidelity crypto for long time hold. If you're planning to hold crypto for long run, Fidelity Crypto is built for that. It focuses on major trusted coin like Bitcoin and Ethereum, hosted with institutional grade security under United States regulation. So that makes it ideal for investors who want stability and peace of mind instead of chasing quick profit. You can even use dollar cost averaging, investing a sell up amount regularly to smooth out price swing and grow your holdings over time. For even more long-term benefit, Fidelity lets you hold crypto inside your retirement account like RIA, giving you tax advantages while your investment grows. The platform strength is reliable, not hype, making it one of the safest place for steady long-term crypto strategy. If this helped, hit the like, subscribe for more quick finance breakdown, and comment if you're holding crypto for the long time or trading short time gain. And that's it.